Hi, I'm Taylor, and I'm an allied recruiter here at Atlas MedStaff.
I'm Addi, and I'm an MRI tech. I also do X-ray and CT, and I travel for Atlas. I have been in healthcare for 12 years. I've been traveling for a year and a half.
I was so blessed to actually get Addi from a recruiter that worked here who went back bedside, and she put a lot of thought and energy into making sure that Addi was well taken care of, and she thought that our personalities would go well together. So I just got really lucky.
I feel like I got lucky.
Aww.
I feel like I can always just like text you if I need you, and so it's really, I mean, not like it's not like hard to get a hold of you. Like I always feel like I can, if I need something, like you answer right away, and Dee was the same way. So I feel like you and Dee are both easy to talk to, and it makes it easier to, you know, go far from home and do these things. But
well, and you went far this time, and you get to be here with me. So working with Addi is phenomenal. She's a wonderful communicator. We never have issues when it comes to her on assignment. She's always open and honest with me, and she is wonderful at her job, which makes everything go so smoothly. She's also very flexible when it comes to being on assignment, and can be really helpful. So I think that is some great qualities to have in a traveler.
I definitely like going to new places, learning different things, where like how other places work and like their protocols and processes. I like that if I don't like a place, I can just finish out my assignment and go, like go somewhere else. So it's nice that like you don't ever get really involved in like any certain places like politics or like drama or anything like that. You just kind of go, you work, and you go home.
I always say it's only 13 weeks.
Yes.
We can do anything for 13 weeks.
That's my biggest, I think that's my biggest like positive about traveling. I miss my kids a lot when I'm gone, but I try to stay within like a couple hours of home. So, you know, if I need to come home, I can. It's I've been doing it long enough that they're used to it now, and they know when I'm going to be gone and when I'm home.
Sounds like you have a good support system at home to do it as
definitely.
Well. That makes a difference.
When I started traveling, I got thrown into just like trial by fire. I went to Mayo Clinic for my first assignment. So it was kind of I came from like small county hospitals and then going to the Mayo Clinic. So that was a little intimidating, but I remember calling my family and just like crying first week. I was like, I can't do this. This is too overwhelming. But you know, after a couple weeks, like things settled down and I got through it, and I learned a lot up there, and I really, really enjoyed it up there, and I would definitely go back.
Oh, she was offered extensions and she got rave reviews. So clearly by the end of it, she got it all together.
It's only 13 weeks. If you hate it, you don't have to do it again. But I've loved it, and my grandma just asked me yesterday, she's like, how long do you think you're going to do this? I said, I don't really plan on stopping. So I think that it's definitely it's different than just a regular staff job in the way that you, like I said before, like, you know, if you don't like it, you can leave, but you meet a lot of different people, and I've met like so many people that I've had, you know, lasting friendships with, even just in the last year and a half. So I think that's really important too.
So I think my advice for a first-time traveler is, first and foremost, it's only 13 weeks. We can do anything we put our mind to for 13 weeks. Second, I think something that is maybe getting lost in the shuffle right now is I think it's important to have a recruiter and a company that you feel like has your back, and that you have a good relationship with, that you don't dread calling, things like that. So I would always tell them to make sure that they feel that way. Yeah. Especially on the first and second assignments.
I feel like you and Dee both, I felt like I have always looked out for my best interest anyway. And it's not just like, you know, I went into this obviously for the money, but also money's not everything either. Mm-hmm. And I feel like you and Dee both really are solid in that regard. Like, definitely have my back. I didn't even know where to start when I was looking into traveling. One of my sister-in-laws, she was a travel nurse, and so I asked her, you know, where should I start? And she doesn't travel anymore, but she's like, oh, go to Atlas. She's like, #1. Like,
we love it.
I mean, everybody's dream assignment's probably Hawaii, but that's not in the cards for me until my kids are grown. But hopefully,
do a summer assignment. We'll just go you can all go to Hawaii for the summer. Just have somebody watch your pets.
Yeah. I'm hoping that I'll get an extension here in Omaha. So I like it here and I'm enjoying what I'm doing. So
if you are looking for a bright and bubbly addition to your team, a team player willing to go the extra mile, fantastic with patience. Also, she does X-ray, CT, and MRI. I mean,
I could do DEXA too.
See, like she does it all. If you need those things, give Addi a call.